Welcome. Tonight I invite you to settle in, find your most comfortable position, and allow your eyes to grow heavy. Outside, a gentle rain is falling, a steady, calming rhythm against the windows. You're about to step into a small, warm bakery where the scent of fresh bread fills the air and soft lamplight glows in the night. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Feel the tension in your body melt away. Another deep breath in and release. The rain is steady, patient, and soothing, each drop tapping softly on the roof above. Tonight's journey begins here on a quiet street where the rainy night bakery waits for you. The street is dimly lit by old-fashioned lanterns, their glass speckled with rain. You walk slowly, your shoes tapping on the wet cobblestone, until you see a small wooden sign swinging gently in the breeze. It reads, Evelyn's Bakery, open late. Through the front window, you see shelves lined with golden loaves and trays of pastries, their glazed tops catching the soft light. You open the door, a delicate chime greets you, and a wave of warm air wraps around your shoulders. The scent is irresistible, sweet cinnamon, rich butter, and the faint hint of vanilla drifting from the ovens. The rain outside is a quiet hush now, muffled by the thick windows, leaving you in a cocoon of warmth. Behind the counter stands Evelyn, a gentle woman with kind eyes and flour on her apron. She smiles warmly, as though she's been expecting you. You must have come in from the rain, she says softly. Sit, rest, and I'll bring you something warm. You find a seat near the fireplace. Its flames glow a deep orange, casting dancing shadows across the bakery walls. The rain outside continues, steady and rhythmic. Evelyn returns with a small pot of tea and a plate of fresh brioche rolls. The bread is still warm. You tear one open and watch the steam curl into the air. The first bite is soft and buttery, melting on your tongue. You sip the tea, a gentle chamomile blend, sweetened with a touch of honey. Your shoulders sink lower, your breathing deepens. As you relax, the bell above the door rings again. A tall man in a raincoat enters, carrying a bouquet of tiny wildflowers. He nods at you with a smile before ordering a loaf of rosemary bread. Moments later, a young woman with a notebook sits by the window, jotting ideas as she sips hot chocolate topped with a swirl of cream. The bakery feels alive yet peaceful, the hum of quiet conversation, the gentle clink of teacups, the patter of rain. Evelyn moves gracefully from table to table, serving each guest as though they are an old friend. Her voice is low and steady, a lullaby in conversation. You lean back in your chair, feeling the last of the tea's warmth in your hands. The rain has softened to a fine mist outside, barely tapping at the glass. The fire's glow is hypnotic. Each flicker seems to slow the world around you. Your eyes grow heavy. The sounds blend together. The fire's crackle, the rain's hush, the low murmur of Evelyn's voice. Each sound is a thread weaving into the soft blanket of night. You take one last deep breath, tasting the faint sweetness of brioche still lingering. And then the story fades into the quiet comfort of sleep. Rest now. The Rainy Night Bakery will always be here, a place of warmth, kindness, and gentle rain. Sleep well, dream deeply, wake refreshed,